Hello viewers and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning to Excel in Excel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about something which is very unique and has been recently made a part of Excel and is going to be like a life-changing move for Excel users, especially those who are also interested in Python. So Python is a coding language which makes life very easy in terms of making graphical representations, doing advanced analysis. In fact, Python can be used for as simple task as doing a sum, as well as for as complex tasks as for creating an app, etc., etc. Now, earlier Python was to be used as a separate tool. Now Excel has integrated Python inside itself and it has got some immense capabilities. Right now what we are going to discuss is just the tip of the iceberg, but there is a lot to it. So without any ado, let me first talk about which are the versions in which Python is going to be available with Excel, and we'll talk about the starting capabilities of Python integrated inside Excel. So the first thing is Python in Excel is available only in Office 365 licensed version. In no other version it is available, number one. Number two, in order to run Python on your computer or laptop, the prerequisite is you need to have internet connection, because what Python does is you write the Python code, it goes into Microsoft server, runs the code, comes back and executes on your screen. So essentially it is a to and fro process, and hence internet is a must for running Python code in Excel. Now let's see what are the different types of analysis that by default Excel has given as kind of a starter, or as kind of a icebreaker. So this first analysis is kind of a correlation analysis. The second one is again showing the statistical data about a huge data set, and the statistical data is comprising of count, mean, standard, 25 percentile plus 50 percentile, so on and so forth. The third sample is again showing the correlation analysis. The fourth sample is again some statistics about the data. And fifth one is very interesting. Here you basically see an image which shows you a 4x4 matrix, and it kind of shows different kinds of correlation by way of a graphical presentation. Now this can be done in Excel, but it will take a huge amount of time and you'll need to write a lot of, or rather insert a lot of charts to accomplish this. With Python it can be done quite fast. Now I will not go into the coding part of it right now, but let me just show you how do you activate Python. So first thing is you need to have a licensed version that you can see over here. So for example, I have a licensed version. When you have a licensed version, only then inside your formulas tab, it will start showing as insert Python, etc., etc. So this is the section which will have the Python. Now, the moment you go to insert Python, because Python is new to Excel and a lot of people are still in exploratory mode, it has given some few samples using which actually I also displayed the screen. So let me just take the sample. For example, if I just click here on insert sample, it will simply insert a sheet with the sample, and it will also create the image or the task associated with it. So right now I am just restricting today's video to this. This is more of an icebreaker to let you know that Python is available in Excel. But in order to use Python, you need to have a bit more technical knowledge about Python. So for the advanced users of Excel, I would strongly recommend, start exploring Python, because it can make a lot of tasks easier in day to day. And it has got much more capabilities which Excel by default does not have. And Python in a way complements Excel and gives it immense computing capabilities. With that, thank you so much for watching today's video. Do share it with someone who may need it, and do consider subscribing if you like the contents of the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you again.